single into a double muffler out of single. I think it's got too much back pressure. But as you can see, the truck's pretty violent whenever it shifts gears. Just because the suspension needs a lot of work. But the transmission's a good transmission, the engine's a good engine. And the truck has some potential. It's just going to take some dollar bills to get everything right in it. It's got some pickup to it though. We're going down the road, let this school bus turn. And that's another reason why you don't need to be doing pulls in Mexico with the school buses riding around. I don't normally get out and do this kind of thing out on the streets. There is a drag strip in Atmore, which is probably about a 2-hour drive from me. And there's another one in Mobile that's about the same, a couple-hour drive. But I don't want to go to a drag strip in this truck unless I've got a trailer to pull it with. And I've got the suspension work done in it. Once I get the leaf springs put back in here, and I'm thinking about buying coilovers to put in here and do away with the shocks and the springs. Just get coilovers. It's going to cost me about $350 for them, and I can put them in about an hour, hour and a half. It'll be a whole lot better setup for the truck. But once I get that in there and get a pitman arm on here, and both the lower ball joints changed out, that's what I saw look like they were needing attention, I would love to go take this thing to the drag strip and just see what it'll turn. It is a one hauler rear end. But with all the traffic that's out here and everything, I really don't want to do too much. I'm off today and just felt the need to get out and play in the truck a little bit, but there's just way too much traffic out here. Even though I live in the county, there's troopers out here writing tickets all the time, and of course the county's out here. But anyway, truck runs decent for what it is. It's sitting on with all that, 180. It's thermostat I put in it. The other one was sticking, and I was having problems with it, so I swapped it out, swapped the plug wires, and fixed the throttle bracket. And truck runs pretty good, but I'm waiting to order the parts to fix the suspension, which I have a 4-day week coming next week, 4 days off. So I may order the parts, at least the pitman arm and the lower ball joints and the coilovers. I may go ahead and order and get the front end set right, and then the week after that, probably in a couple of more weeks, order the leaf springs, because it's going to be the Beltec 2-inch lowering springs that are stiffer, and I've already got the shackles. But the truck seems to be doing good as far as temperature goes. I do want to put some dual fans on it, other than this O'Reilly's one blade fan I have on here. I just don't trust. I don't really trust having just one fan on there for as long as I drive, but the fuel pressure seems to be pretty good. The engine sounds pretty good, but I did notice when we just got out of the truck, I did notice that, which looks like I've got some kind of a transmission leak. I probably need to crawl up under there and make sure I don't have something that loose. So I just installed that dipstick, and probably need to check, make sure it's not leaking. But anyway, it's a little bit of fun for today. Maybe it was some entertainment for some folks. If you liked it, give a thumbs up. If you don't, give a thumbs down. But anyway, that's my play day for today on this thing. I do drive back and forth to work. I've got a lot of work need to be done to it. So with all the traffic and everything's out here, even though I live in the country, there's just a whole lot of Don't really want to get out and do a whole lot. If I had somebody to film for me where I could do some burnouts and do some drive-bys, I'll try to do that later on. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Like, subscribe, make a comment if you want to know anything about the truck, what all's been done to it, what I've, how much I gave for it and all that kind of thing, my journey on it. Got other videos in you can watch if you don't want to be that bored. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.